ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। श्रीमन्नारायणीयम्। ओम श्री कृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः। दशकं 91 श्लोका 3। भीतिर्नाम द्वितीयात् भवति ननु मनः कल्पितं च द्वितीयम् तेनैक्याभ्यासशीलो हृदयमिह यथाशक्ति बुद्ध्या निरुन्ध्याम् माया विद्येतु तस्मिन् पुनरपि न तथा भाति मायाधिनाथं तं त्वां भक्त्या महत्या सततमनुभजन् ईशभीतिं विजह्याम्। Word by word meaning. Bhitihi nama, fear indeed. Dvitiyat bhavati comes from the consciousness of a second, different from oneself. Nanu dvitiyam manaha kalpitam cha, and the consciousness of another is only an imagination of the mind. Tena, therefore, aikyabhyasa shilaha, practicing constantly the consciousness of oneness. Hridayam, the mind. Buddhya, by the discriminating intellect. Yatha Shakti, to the extent possible. Iha, in that consciousness of oneness. Nirundhyam, I shall fix. Punaha api tasmin, when that mind again. Maya vidde tu, is overpowered by Maya. Tatha na bhati, it does not remain so, that is, in the consciousness of oneness. Tam mayadhinatham tvam, then the controller of Maya, mahatya bhaktya, by intense devotion. Satatam anubhajan, always worshipping. He Isha, O Lord. Bhitim vijahyam, I shall get rid of fear. Full meaning. Fear comes from the consciousness of a second, different from oneself. Such consciousness is only a creation of the mind. Therefore, with the help of my discriminating intellect, I shall constantly practice the consciousness of oneness and fix my mind on such consciousness. But when that mind, overpowered by Maya, moves away from that consciousness of oneness, I shall, by worshipping thee, the controller of Maya, with intense devotion, get rid of all fear. Note, see Bhagavata Skanda 11, chapter 2, verses 37 and 38. The whole world is nothing but the non-dual Brahman. All duality is the result of beginningless ignorance of reality. Dvitiyadvai bhayam bhavati. Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, Skanda 1, chapter 4, verse 2. Om Tat Sat.